Welcome to Rise Mathematics. Today's topic is finding the HCF and the LCM of two numbers. Let's start with the LCM, which means the lowest common multiple. For example, if we want to find the LCM of 4 and 5, we start by writing the multiples of 4 and the multiples of 5. The multiples of 4 is what we find in the 4 times table column. For example, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and so on. So the multiples of 4 would be 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. I could keep going, but I'll stop here. I will now start with writing the multiples of 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, and so on. So we have 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Now, looking at these sets of numbers, we can notice that 20 is common in both. That means the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Let's now try another example. Let's find the LCM of 6 and 8. Feel free to pause the video now and give this a go. You ready? Let's start with the multiples. Let's start with the multiples of 6. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, and we have 18, then we have 24, then we have 30, 36, and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, then 16, then 24, 32, 40, 48. We can now look at these numbers and notice that 24 is the lowest common multiple. That means the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. We are now going to have a look at the HCF, which means the highest common factor. For example, if we want to find the HCF of 8 and 12, we start by listing all the factors of 8 and all the factors of 12. The factors of 8 are all the numbers that multiply to make 8. Those numbers are 1, 2, 4, and 8. These are all factors of 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, looking at these factors, we can see that we have some common factors. These common factors are 1, 2, and 4. By looking at these common factors, we notice that the highest common factor is 4. So the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Let's have a go at another example. Let's find the HCF of 18 and 24. Feel free to pause the video and give this a go. Are you ready? Let's find the factors of 18. So these are all numbers that multiply to give me 18. So we have 1 as a factor of 18. We have 2. We have 3 because 3 times 6 makes 18. We have 9 because 9 times 2 makes 18. And we have 18. That's a factor of 18. Factors of 24 are 1 because 1 times 24 gives me 24. We have 2 because 2 times 12. We have 3 we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, 12, and 24. Now, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So the highest common factor is 6. The HCF of 18 and 24 will be 6. Well done. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.